Welcome back, and today we're in Ducktrap's test kitchen where we try out new recipes from home chefs. And who better to compete than two chefs who already share the kitchen at home. I know them as Tom and Alice, but she knows you as Mom and Dad. That's right. Today your final dishes will be judged by your harshest critic. You'll have to design your menu around your choice of Ducktrap's cold smoke or lightly smoked salmon.
Good thing I love salmon.
Mom and Dad, you'll have 1 hour to complete the perfect brunch. And then you get to decide. We'll leave you to it.
All right, so I'm thinking a salmon souffle or a quiche, but no, I gotta think simple. Simple.
He's gonna overthink it.
I'm gonna take this Ducktrap lightly smoked salmon. I'm gonna put it in this muffin tin with some cheese. Penny loves cheese, some seasoning, and then pour some scrambled eggs right on top and bake away.
I just toasted a few pieces of sourdough bread. I'm gonna cover that with a layer of cream cheese, then a thin layer of cucumbers for that fresh crunch, and top that off with some Ducktrap smoked salmon.
Excuse me, sorry. Now just gotta wait.
Might not look like much now, but wait till it's finished.
Come on. Still not done.
My secret weapon.
Oh, great. Yeah, shapes wins. Oh, yes. Excuse me again.
All right, Mom and Dad, time is up. All right, Penny, time to decide. Who made the perfect salmon brunch?
Those look a little hot, so I'm gonna start with... so good.
All right, it's time for Dad.
They're both really good.
Yeah.
But I choose...
Well, Penny may have a hard time deciding, but with Ducktrap, everybody wins. Ducktrap cold smoke and lightly smoked salmon, available now at Amazon.